Working on a ream unit right now. Customers concerned because the motor isn't kicking on. As I was testing it, I noticed that the capacitor is weak and failing. Let's double check it right now. You gotta be careful with not only these, but the capacitors. They can hold charge and stun you like a stun gun. I've had people knocked out because they touched them wrong. We could not find the power source and it was right outside. Hilarious. Gotta be careful when handling these. Even after turning off the power, you want to be careful with this cap. You do. Oh, it slid just out. It just slid just out. Oh my gosh. This shit is garbage. Oh my gosh, it's garbage. What the heck? Garbage. Got the new one right here. All right, let's kick her on. All right, kicked her on. She's good to go. Let's put her back up, button her up, and she should be good to go. All right, customers, good to go.